Hello guys, welcome back. So today I am making a rich, cheesy, comfort, layers and loaded lasagna that melts your heart. First, to blend the meat and the carrot for this lasagna. So I'll go ahead and chop the onion into tiny cubes. So after that, in a pan, I'll go in with the olive oil and I'll add the onion and I'll saute it for 3 seconds. Then I'll add the carrots. This is blended carrot. Then I'll go in with the beef. I will stir it properly. Then the next thing is to cover it to steam for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'll go in with the salt, chili pepper, oregano, and chicken seasoning. Then I'm gonna stir it very well, and I'll add the tomato puree and stir it, cover it to cook for 5 minutes. So in another pot, I will add in milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you stir it in a low heat. Keep stirring it until you get the consistency of the cream that you want. Here I added bechamel. If you want, you can add more milk and more cornstarch without this Italian bechamel. Now to check on our meat sauce. Now is ready. Then I have to add more salt or seasoning to balance the taste. Time to assemble. I spread a little meat sauce at the bottom because we don't have time for sticky attitude today. Then I add the cream mix. Then lay your pasta sheets down like you are tucking them into bed. Then handful of cheese. Continue the process until your pan is filled up or until your spirit tell you madam is okay. Cover the lasagna with flat American cheese. Then pop inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Voila! Our delicious, yummicious lasagna is ready. Tell me what you think about this lasagna. Will you try it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video and see you in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.